I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. This is Akaya coming at you. I'm actually going to show you guys a new mannequin that I received. I don't know if y'all see me post, maybe probably about last week that I purchased a mannequin. I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers. His name is Linwood. His channel is Glam Fam. When I say he got some very, very excellent videos, and I was just watching one of his videos and I seen his mannequin had really nice texture hair and it was easy to twist with. I've been looking for mannequins like that because it's very hard to find mannequins that don't have the straight hair, because to be honest with you, I probably got maybe about 4 mannequins and maybe only one of mine really have the silky hair. What I did was I actually done some locks on my some faux locks on my other mannequin. So I do have a mannequin with locks, so I wanted to be able to start styling. So I wanted to get a mannequin that has natural texture hair. And when I seen his video, I was like, oh my God, it looked so good. So I'm about to get this open. This is the first time I'm opening this, y'all. I wanted to do a big reveal with you guys because I was so excited about this mannequin. One thing I can say about this mannequin, y'all, it is a whole lot higher than your typical mannequin. So with that being said, I was like, okay, so this got to be something different, because I'm used to paying a little bit cheaper, but I was like, you know what? I want to be able to find something good. So let's see what we got, because I looked all on Amazon for a texture like that. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, we got me a Glam Fam little bracelet came in there. And this is the actual paper. This is what made me really want it, the way that this look. It says, telling me to thank you for your purchase. Shampoo with cool water. Don't scrub when shampooing. Use quality moisturizing products. If you use gel, choose alcohol free. The tangle from the ends to the scalp. Your mannequin will experience some shedding during its first shampoo. So this is how it's supposed to look. Okay. It also came with and it's funny because I have a lot of these, but I do not have a white one. So that is good. This is actually like the clip to be able to hold it on if you like using it on a table or something like that. So it do come with a stand. I guess you would call it a stand, but okay. Okay, y'all, let's see. The big reveal. Dun 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 dun. I think I'm gonna like it. She got kinky hair, and this is what I've been wanting. That kinky kink like we have with our real hair. Okay, y'all. So far, it looks really good. I love the kink. I'm telling you, I've been looking for a mannequin for a very long time. They got kinky hair like this. It's always that silky type texture, always. But one time I did, actually, the mannequin that I have right here, and I've been having it for years. This texture actually was a very, very good texture. This is more like our texture hair too, but I could not find it. Like I couldn't find it at all no more. So like I said, I did wind up doing locks with that one. I'm going to be doing 2-strand twists and other things with this. So guys, I am excited. I am excited. I will keep you posted once I wash it, because it said I got to wash it, shampoo it first. I'm going to do exactly what it's telling me. But so far, so good. I love the kinky, coily type texture. And I can already tell these are going to be some fabulous 2-strand twists and everything else. So far, y'all, my take on this is a 100% better than what the mannequins that I've been having, because they never have coily hair like this at all. And it's not going to only be good for 2-strand twists. Like even when I am corn rolling and different things like that, you want this type of texture. So I'm liking it, y'all. I'm liking it. And I also purchased this EBIN foaming lotion that he was using, because he said make sure you use different products on it. And I know I love this brand right here, but I didn't even know about the Wrap and Shine Volumizer. I got it from Amazon. So, and shipping was fast. So Linwood, thank you. So far, I think this is going to be a go. And I would love for you to, Glam Fam, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel too, because I love your channel. And I would love, if you get a chance, to go ahead and press that subscribe button. Linwood. Okay, guys, take care, be blessed, and I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.